Hi folks, now I would like to show you how to connect to MGCL by remote access portal. After getting your credential from the library officials, then you have to go to MGCL website and click on the remote access portal. Then on the right side you can see sign in option. You have to click there and you have to give your password and username. Then you have to press sign in. Then you can see you will be officially signed into this portal. There is an option called remote access. You have to press there. Then you will see all the subscribed journals as well as the databases from MGCL. You can click on each databases or each publication house logos to redirect to their particular website. For example, I'm clicking Scopus now. You can see on the top left side it shows that access provided by IIT Roorkee. So if you type anything there, you will be getting results and you can use it without any issues. I would suggest all the Mac users to use this facility rather than going with the VPN access, because VPN connections show some kind of stability issues in Mac. So it is better to stick with the eRemote library access in Mac, but in Windows it works very smoothly. This is IITR network support page. Here you will get the software. For example, I am taking Windows here. I am not using Mac. You can download the VPN as well as the network controller utility app. You can click the first one because once you back in campus, this utility is required to get the internet access. So you have to download the zip file from this website. You can note it down. This is a support page of IITR network security. Then you have to extract the file. It is normally in a zip format. You can use WinRAR or WinZip to unzip, and from there is a readme file you have to read, because every time it used to get updated for your Windows versions. After that you have to click on the and run it as an administrator privileges. So it will show the following steps which I am showing you in the screen, and it will take few minutes to get it installed. Also, you have to keep it in mind, for a Mac user always use the library remote access, and for a Windows user it is always better to connect it as a VPN access. So if you're first installing, then you have to reset your password. Usually your username and password would be your enrollment number. On the first login they will ask you to reset the password, and you can give any password as per your wish, but your username will be the same as your enrollment number throughout the time. So once you reset the password, this system scan will perform, and it will complete within a few seconds. Then you will see this kind of a utility will be running in your Windows, and you can see there is an option called VPN. There you have to write vpn.iitr.ac.in as I mentioned there. Then you can click on the connect button. There like you can see, and now I'm connected to my home network, and if you click on the VPN, they will ask the same pop-up window. There you can give your same username and password, and you can click OK. So then this kind of a window comes. So you have to press accept. Then your system will be taking 2 or 3 seconds, and the network icon will be replaced with a computer kind of an icon, and now you are in the VPN. You are in the network of IITR through a VPN. As a demo, I am opening Statista website because Statista only has access through VPN. So you can see now I have opened Statista website, and it shows the connection as provided by Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee. IITR has subscribed to the Grammarly education version. For that you have to type Grammarly at edu in Google, and you have to click on the first link which appears there. Then you have to connect with your IITR official mail ID to login. It's usually G Suite ID. You have to type it there. and you have to connect your GCU to Grammarly. It will redirect to your Grammarly dashboard. It will take a couple of seconds. You have to be patient during the time, and once it connected, you will be redirected to this kind of a dashboard. Here you can see there are a couple of options. Their app is an option. There you can see multiple extensions available for various softwares and OSs, so you can select as per your convenience which apps you need. MS Office 365 education version is also we have. So you have to type MS Office 365 at edu at Google, and it will redirect to this kind of a page. Here you have to give your official email address, and you have to press get started. Then you have to select I am a student. Then you have to create a MS Office account using your IITR mail ID. Then once you create that, they will show you this kind of an option. Here you have to type it your official mail ID and password which you have created for your MS Office account, and you have to press sign in. This is only for one time. Once you create this, then they will tell you like this kind of a window. After that, you have to go to the dashboard of your MS Office web platform. Here you will get an option to install it offline. You can see in the right corner, install Office. You have to press download the apps.